Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to do the subscription for Cloud Identity Services. Before that, just for a recap, I have done a detailed video on SAP Cloud Connector, how to download and install SAP Cloud Connector and connectivity between the BTP and Cloud Connector, map the S4HANA system on the Cloud Connector, and create the BTP destination to access the S4HANA API. If you missed that video, I will put the URL in the description. Please go through it. Click on Service Marketplace. Here you search for Cloud Identity Services. Click on Cloud Identity Services. Click on Create button. Your service is Cloud Identity Services and plan you have to choose default. Click on Next. Service type you have to choose as test. Click on Next. Click on Create. Now the creation is in progress. Click on Close. Now we have to establish a trust. So click on Trust Configuration. Click on Establish Trust. So this is the default URL created by BTP. Choose the default domain. Click on Next. Here domain you have to keep it as default. Click Next. So this is the URL for Cloud Identity Services. Click Next. Here verify all the details. Click on Finish. Here trust is established for Cloud Identity Provider. Now you will receive an email to activate Cloud Identity Provider. Go to your email. Click on click here to activate your account. Then enter the details, and here you have to set the password. Click on Continue. Click on Continue. This is the Cloud Identity Provider. Yeah, that's it guys. If you like the video, please share, like, and subscribe to Naina Tech. Thank you for watching Naina Tech.